At 11:45 at night, we started the motorcycle and left for Foça. The city was already quiet. The roads were empty. It was one of those nights where you do not really know if the plan is smart, but you still want to go.
Floating up so high, a new perspective in my eye. See the world unfold below, a private silent stroll, chasing clouds across the blue. Painting memories fresh and new. Just me and the open air. A captured moment, just silent prayer. This is my world from up above. A tiny story. The sun dips low, a golden gleam, living inside a waking dream.
Among the low maquis shrubs, pine trees, and olive trees, the landscape feels like a reminder of the ancient Aegean, quiet, wild, and timeless. In September, a new Wolverine game is apparently coming to PlayStation 5. They made Wolverine hairy, kind of like me, and his look really caught my attention. While we were getting ready, the conversation somehow turned to Wolverine, his stories, his movies, and what makes the character so memorable. It was one of those natural, fun conversations that happen while passing the time before hitting the road.
Bak bunu nasıl kaydedeceğimiz gözükecek şimdi. Ne kadar uğraştığımız.
Şimdi bakalım. Bir de benim gözlüğümde olsaydı ne güzel olurdu değil mi? Ben de şuradan Ray-Ban Meta'yı takayım da çift taraflı çekim yaparız. Çift taraflı çekim yaparız. Picture in picture yaparız ondan sonra videoyu.
At this point, I switched to the Ray-Ban Meta glasses to record the preparation from my own point of view. We were trying to secure the bags and camping gear onto the motorcycle with ropes, making sure everything was tight enough for the road. But this was our first motorcycle camping experience, so it was not as easy as it looked. The bags, the ropes, the balance of the bike, the limited space, everything became part of the learning process. It took some time, and it was a little messy, but we learned a lot from it. Next time, we will know much better how to pack, tie, and prepare the motorcycle for a camping trip. I still cannot convince my wife that seagulls can actually attack drones. If you have ever experienced something like this, let me know in the comments. From what I have seen, when seagulls start coming toward the drone, the easiest way to escape is to fly straight up. They usually attack by diving down from above or swooping in from the side, but when the drone climbs vertically, it gets out of their target line. I am not sure what the exact name of this attack is, maybe a dive bombing attack or a swooping attack. But if you know the correct word, write it in the comments.
Frozen in this memory.
Thanks for watching. Part 2 is coming soon.